bestie. So today is the day one of me unwrapping my bookish advent calendar. I can't believe I'm saying that. As a person, I'm someone who will always keep the wrapping paper with me forever and ever. So please don't judge me. I'm not tearing it apart, and I cannot believe I have the copy of Butter by Asako Yuzuki. It's been on my TBR for so long, and I finally have a copy. Hi guys, so today is the day 2 of my bookish advent calendar. Waking up every day is a gift. No, technically, it's a gift. So, guys, I have the physical copy of Conversation with Friends by Sally Rooney. Hi, besties. So, today is day 3 of my bookish advent calendar. Not in Love by Ali Hazelwood. So today is day 5 of my bookish advent calendar. So besties, today is day 6 of my bookish advent calendar. So I have the physical copy of What You Are Looking For is in the library. This one was in my TBR for so long, and I finally have the copy. Yay! Hi besties, so it is day 7 of my bookish advent calendar, and I'm so excited to look what book I have received today. So this is my first Emma Lord book, and I'm so excited to dive into this one. Hi besties, so today is day 8 of my bookish advent calendar. Buy Yourself the Damn Flower by Tam Kaur. I love Tam Kaur, and I'm not even going to lie. I have watched all her YouTube videos and series, and honestly I am just so excited to dive into her book right away. Hi guys, today is supposed to be day 10 of my bookish advent calendar, but I was not feeling well yesterday, so I have not unwrapped day 9 of my bookish advent calendar. So today we are not going to unwrap one but 2 books. Hi besties, so today is day 10 of my book advent calendar. Let's unwrap it right away. Hi guys, today is day 11 of my book advent calendar. I am just so excited to unwrap the book today, and I cannot believe I have the physical copy of Bride by Ali Hazelwood. This book has been on my wish list for so long, and I finally have the copy in the shelf now. Yay! So hi bestie, today is day 12 of my book advent calendar. I cannot imagine it's day 12 already. Well, this book was in my TBR for so long. I can't wait to read it. Hi guys, it's day 13th of my book advent calendar. So let's just unwrap it right away. to End a Love Story by Yulin Kuang. I saw this book in one of the nomination of Goodreads best romance books, and I'm just excited to read it. Although I don't think this book won, but it was nominated and I really want to see what the hype is all about. So I'm definitely reading it soon. So hi guys, today is day 14 of my book advent calendar. So let's unwrap it right away. Daydream by Hannah Grace. This book has been on my TBR for a while, and honestly, I really want to explore the world of Hannah Grace. I have seen so many people talk so many things about a book, and I think I am really going to enjoy this book. It's okay. Today is day 15 and let's unwrap our book advent calendar today. I'm so excited and I can't believe it's day 15 already. Like, I feel it was just yesterday I started doing the day 1 and it's 15 already. If I'm not wrong, this is one of the fattest package in the whole book advent calendar series, and I'm just so excited to unwrap this book right away because I am into fat books and I cannot lie. Oh my god, I can literally guess which book it is from my wish list. I really wanted to read this book for so long. To Age Disgracefully by Claire Pooley, and it's a hardcover, guys. I mean, look, it's a hardcover. Hi, so today is day 16 of my book advent calendar and I finally got myself the scissors. So let's unwrap the day 16 right away. This is again a fat package. I love fat books and I cannot lie. This is a kind of scares me because I don't know why I feel like every time I'm open or cutting the paper, wrapping paper, I might hurt my books. And this is the reason I don't use the scissors anymore, because I'm very scared that I might scratch or tear one page through this monster. Anyway, so The Daily Laws by Robert Greene. So hi guys, today is day 17 of my book advent calendar. So let's just unwrap the book right away. This book has been on my TBR for so long and I really wanted to read this book. In 2025 I want to explore more of Indian authors and she is one of them. The Book of Everlasting Things by Achal Malhotra. Both of the books are in my wish list. I have the copy of this book, so I'm definitely going to read this book very soon. And also I'm going to find a copy of Remnants of Separation, either second hand or first hand, I don't know. But I also want to read that book in 2025. Hi guys, so today is day 18 of my book advent calendar. So let's unwrap the book right away. Hi guys, today is day 19 of my book advent calendar. I cannot believe it's day 19 already. We are so close to Christmas and New Year. The time flies by and I am going to repeat myself. I know I am going to sound like a broken record track, but it was just yesterday I opened my day 1 package and now it's day 19. One more book by Robert Greene. I think I now have all the books by him and I'm definitely reading it. I'm definitely going to read more of his work in 2025. I think 2025 is going to be a very different year. I'm not going to say it's going to be my year because it never happens. I'm going to say it's going to be a very different year reading wise. Hi guys, it's day 20 of my book Advent Calendar series and I am just so excited to unwrap the book right away. To be very honest, I don't want this series to ever end. Like, waking up every day to unwrap a new book is like a gift, and I wish I could have the book Advent Calendar series of the year, like for 365 days. It will motivate me to get out of my bed at least, or wake up every day for that instance. So, Flat Share by Beth O'Leary. I think I have not read any book by this particular author. Today is day 21 of my book Advent Calendar series. I mean, literally the last few days of this series, and I think I'm going to miss this series after the 10th. So let's unwrap the book. The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. So hi guys, welcome back to my book Advent Calendar series. Today is day 22. Let's unwrap the package right away. I'm so excited and I was not expecting this book, to be very honest, but I really wanted to start reading Dostoevsky work and I think this is a perfect beginner friendly book. I'm definitely going to read it. Hi, welcome back to my book Advent Calendar series. Today is day 23 and I'm so excited to unwrap the book right away, and this is one of the most hyped book on Bookstagram and I'm really excited to read it. Guys, welcome back to my book Advent Calendar series and today is day 24. Let's unwrap the package right away. I'm so excited to unwrap it because it is also one of the fattest package in the entire series, and oh my god, I cannot believe I have the copy of Intermezzo by Sally Rooney. Hi guys, welcome back to my book Advent Calendar series. Today is the last day, which is 25, and as all the good things come to an end, this series has to. Today is the last day. It makes me happy and sad at the very same time. Waking up every day in the month of December to a new book was very exciting. I was happy, and in this package we got the copy of The Catch by Emilia, and I'm really excited to read it. So bye.